Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced blockchain knowledge, simple explanations, deep concepts, and the future of Web3. Today, we're covering a core topic, a topic everything in Ethereum depends on. It's called the Ethereum Virtual Machine, also known as the EVM, and it powers the entire ecosystem. The EVM is the brain of Ethereum. It runs all smart contracts, it processes logic, and executes transactions. Without it, Ethereum cannot function. No DeFi, no NFTs, no dApps, nothing works without the EVM. So let's break it down. The EVM is a virtual computer, but it doesn't live on one device. It lives on every Ethereum node. Every node runs the same virtual machine. Every node executes the same rules, and that creates trust. Because everyone gets the same results, no matter who they are or where they are. That's decentralization. Smart contracts are written in high-level languages, like Solidity or Viper, but the EVM does not understand them directly. These languages get compiled into bytecode. Bytecode is machine language for the EVM. It is low-level instructions. The EVM reads each instruction and executes them step by step. This is how smart contracts run. The EVM uses something called gas. Gas is the cost of computation. Every action requires gas. Every instruction has a price. Gas stops people from spamming the network. Gas protects Ethereum from infinite loops. Gas makes the system safe and stable. Without gas, Ethereum would break. That's why it's essential. The EVM also uses something called state. State is the memory of Ethereum. It stores balances, contract variables, internal data, and every update changes the state. The EVM updates the state after each transaction, carefully and deterministically, so all nodes agree on the result. No confusion, no disagreements. The EVM is isolated from your computer. It cannot access the internet. It cannot read files. It cannot connect to websites. This isolation is security. It prevents malicious behavior and keeps smart contracts predictable. Everything must happen inside the rules. No shortcuts, no external dependencies. The EVM is also deterministic. That means the same input always produces the same output. No randomness, no variation. This is vital for consensus, because every node must reach the same result. Deterministic rules maintain trust and prevent network splits. Many blockchains copy the EVM. It has become a global standard. Chains like Polygon, Avalanche, Phantom, and BNB Chain are all EVM compatible. This means developers can deploy apps anywhere, using the same tools, the same languages, the same ecosystem. EVM compatibility created massive growth and connected the entire Web3 world. The EVM is not perfect. It has limitations. It can be slow under heavy load and expensive when traffic increases. But it remains the most battle-tested VM in crypto, the foundation of decentralized applications, the engine behind smart contracts, and the backbone of Ethereum itself. That is the power of the Ethereum Virtual Machine.